तो हेलो दोस्तों। क्या आप लोग भी सोच रहे हो कि काश कोई एक इंग्लिश पार्टनर मिल जाए जिससे मैं डेली बात करके अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सकूं। तो मैं आप लोग को इस वीडियो में दिखाऊंगा कैसे आप जेमिनाई से बात करके अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं प्रैक्टिस विथ जेमिनाई। तो फर्स्टली स्टार्ट जेमिनाई, आफ्टर दैट स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू द जेमिनाई। तो हेलो जेमिनाई, हाउ आर यू?
Hello, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How are you today?
Yes, I am also doing well. Thanks for asking. And today I want to talk to you sometime for improving my English on a random talk. So, are you ready for that?
That sounds great. I'm definitely up for a random English conversation. What would you like to chat about? We could talk about your day, your interests, or anything else that comes to mind.
I want to talk to you any random talk which is very good for improving my English.
Okay, let's do it. How about we start with your day? What have you been up to? Anything interesting happen?
Nothing interesting, but today I enjoy a lot because today is Independence Day, and also I enjoy a lot in my school. So after when I free, then I started making videos. So let's move to another topic.
That sounds like a fun and productive day. What kind of videos do you enjoy making?
I enjoy making English video because I want to strengthen my English, and also I want to get the child's learn English language. That's why I make English video for the learners which can help to improve their English.
That's a great goal. Creating English videos is a fun and effective way to improve your own language skills while helping others learn too. What kind of videos do you make? Are they focused on grammar, vocabulary, conversation, or something else?
I don't focus on too much grammar and any specific topic, but I focus to the build their confidence, and just I focus to just how can a student speak English without focusing too much grammar.
That's a great approach. Focusing on building confidence and encouraging students to speak without worrying too much about grammar is key, especially in the beginning. Do you have any tips or tricks you use in your videos to help them relax and feel more comfortable speaking English?
Yes, I always try to tell my viewers how can they speak English without feeling hesitation and without get stuck, and how, and always I try to tell them new tips and tricks which can very good for the just doing practice like alone talk and making video on cameras. You can talk and see your mistakes that you can improve your English.
That's really helpful advice. Practicing alone and recording oneself can be a great way to build confidence and identify areas for improvement. Do you have any other tips for overcoming nervousness or fear of making mistakes while speaking English?
Yes, because the people just get stuck and they are overthinking. If I did mistakes, if I do mistakes, so another person can judge and another person can say that your English is not good. But according to me, don't we just feel hesitation and don't we get stuck while speaking? Speak more and more, as you know that the sentences, grammar, and vocab. Try to explain everything with only doing the mistake, because in the learning time everyone did mistake, everyone do mistake. So you will also do mistake, and after your mistake you will learn.
That's excellent advice. It's so important to remember that everyone makes mistakes, especially when learning a new language. Focusing on communication and not being afraid to make errors is key to improving fluency.
So yeah, I think this is enough for me today because I want to show my viewers how can they talk to the Gemini. So it was part of my video, that's why I'm talking to you, and I would like to end now.
I understand. It was nice talking with you. I hope your viewers find our conversation helpful.
So I hope guys you understood how to talk with Gemini for improving your English. If you will talk with Gemini every day, so your English will be improved within some days and maybe within some month. So this will help to improve your English. So if this video is helpful for you, so please don't forget to like and subscribe the Jugunoo method. That's all.